Have you ever dreamed of traveling on a floating paradise? I'm talking about a mega cruise ship, where seeing the world's most beautiful islands and the vast, deep blue ocean is no longer just a fantasy. Well, stick around, because today we're diving into how you can make that dream a reality. So, where do these incredible journeys even begin? Cruise ships set sail from specific home ports. If you're based in South Asia, your most convenient and budget-friendly options are Dubai, Singapore, and Mumbai. These ports are regular stops for giant vessels from famous lines like Royal Caribbean and MSC Cruises. On a global scale, the undisputed champions of cruising are Miami, Barcelona, and Venice, which are the busiest cruise hubs in the world. Imagine the energy at those ports. Now, for the best part, the destinations. The magic of cruise travel is that you can wake up in a new country almost every day. It's like a multi-country tour without the hassle of packing and unpacking. Some of the most popular itineraries will take you to the stunning beaches of the Caribbean islands, through the rich history of the Mediterranean, with stops in Italy and Greece, or on an adventure to witness the breathtaking glaciers of Alaska. The only tough decision you have to make is whether you're a sun seeker or an ice explorer. So how do you get on board? There are basically two ways. First, as a passenger. You can book your trip through comparison websites like Cruise Compete, which helps you find the best deals, or book directly through a cruise line's official site. Here's a pro tip. Try to book at least 3 to 4 months in advance. That's the sweet spot for snagging those amazing early bird discounts and saving some serious cash. The second way is to join as a staff member. If you've ever thought about working at sea, you'll need to get an STCW certification and apply through specialized maritime agencies. It's a whole different world, and we'll definitely dedicate a future video to covering exactly how you can do that. Cruise travel is truly a world of its own, where your ticket becomes your passport to adventure. I hope this first episode has given you a clear starting point for your own cruise journey. But have you ever wondered what life is really like for the crew members on board? Or what secrets are hidden behind the glamorous guest areas? We're going to uncover all of that in our next video. So make sure you subscribe to Miss Marlin right now and ring that notification bell so you do not miss our next voyage. I'll see you on the deck.